The toolkit rental is designed to keep the cost down if you are only installing the Fail Not hardware system one time. Although it's not required, the toolkit makes installing the hardware easier. How does this work? Step 1. Order your deck railing inserts with the optional Fail Not hardware system on FenceQuarter.com. The carbon fiber Fail Not hardware system will ship first. Step 2. Once you get a confirmation of shipping, visit rentals.fencequarter.com. Select your date and click on Check Availability to see if your date is available. You will need to click on View Cart and enter billing and/or shipping address. Step 3. Once we confirm your date is available, we will give you a confirmation email with a link to pay for your rental at rentals.fencequarter.com. If you have any questions, call us at 206-219-7515 or email at info@fencequarter.com. If you prefer to purchase the toolkit, please visit our online store at fencequarter.com.